Hello there. Welcome to the Wingtips. We hope you all are safe and fit during this epidemic. Quarantine is stretching like my maths class and we all are getting bored in it. We tried everything to get rid of our boring schedule. Cooking, singing, dancing and at the end back to zero. We understand you guys. So today we gonna tell you 10 Netflix series which are 100% recommended by Rotten Tomatoes. So let's start our segment with number 10, which is Crazy Head Season 1. A brilliantly bonker blend of comedy and horror, Crazy Head slays thanks in large number to Cara Theobald and Susan Wokema's dynamic chemistry. Number 9 on the list, we have Middleditch and Schwartz Season 1. A brilliant series of special sure to spark all kinds of joy. Middleditch and Schwartz is a masterclass in impro comedy which you should definitely give a shot. On number 8, we have The Confession Killer Season 1. An unsettling journey into yet another case of justice gone away. The Confession Killer is a tense and disturbing entry into the Netflix growing catalog of true crime documentaries. With number 7 on the list, we have Dirty Money Season 1 and Season 2. Informative as it is appalling, Dirty Money exposes the single-mindedness of corporative greed. Dirty Money is a thrilling investigative series which provides an up-close and personal view into untold stories of scandal and corruption in the world of business. Number 6 on the list, we have Giri Haji. A detective from Tokyo travels to London in search of his missing brother, who had ties to the Yakuza. Smart, suspenseful and superbly shot, Giri Haji is a near-perfect crime thriller with a surprisingly sharp sense of humor. On number 5 we have Ugly Delicious Season 1 and Season 2. Ugly Delicious injects new life into the food documentary by dispensing with culinary pretensions and celebrating a vibrant spectrum of dishes that are sure to whet audience appetites. Number 4 is my favorite, which is Feel Good Season 1. A comedian living in London navigates sobriety and a new relationship with her girlfriend. It's an intimate portrait of addiction and love. Feel Good is at once sweetly charming, uncomfortably complicated, and completely worth falling for. On number 3, we have Mystery Science Theater 3000 The Return. In this reboot of the cult classic, a human and two robots poke fun at cheesy sci-fi movies. It picks up right where its predecessors left off, retaining all the cult classic's crucial ingredients and adding a handful of fresh twists. On number 2 we have Big Mouth Season 1 and Season 2. Big Mouth's simplistic animation and scatological humor really its finely sketched characters and smart, empathetic approach to the messiness of adolescence. In Season 2, which continues to confront the awkwardness of adolescence with foul-mouthed glee and an added layer of maturity. Finally, on number 1 we have Master of None Season 1 and Season 2. Exceptionally executed with charm, humor and heart, Master of None is a refreshingly offbeat take on a familiar premise, and you should definitely check this out. So that's a quick wrap on this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share. We'll catch you guys in our next segment. Till then, take care, peace out.